Hello everyone, this is a French-style living room with bright gold screens fitted with matte mixed oil color matched wall panels. Its solid wood panels fitted with carvings. Carvings are assembled after painting. This is fingerprint-resistant stainless steel. The door frame trim adopts fingerprint frame matte stainless steel with a 5mm return edge. This is the TV feature wall, and that's the entryway cabinet. This area is the dining room. The dining cabinet features metal framed glass doors paired with curved wall panel cabinets. Over here is the kitchen island and a western kitchen area.